partnered up with a company out of Canada called tous jours, and so they helped bring the swings here. This is part of our 50th anniversary. We decided we wanted to give back to the community since they've given so much to us over the years, and so that's why we brought them here to begin with.
The musical swings began in Montreal, Canada, back in 2011. We were commissioned by the Quartier des Spectacles, so a kind of performance area venue in the downtown center of Montreal. And so we were inspired by our surroundings. Right beside us on one side of the site that we were looking at was the Montreal Symphony House, and on the other side was the University of Montreal. And so we actually started working with a behavioral scientist from the university and started to think about how we can bring people together in a new way in public space. And one of the things that he brought to us, that potentially music can be a way of getting people together and breaking down some of those social boundaries that we have in public space. And so we decided to try to merge a kind of playful, typical thing you might find in the city or in parks in a new environment and with a musical component, and that's what led to the musical swings.
This is not just for kids, this is for adults too. It's a really fun, interactive art piece.
They work like typical swings, but they actually make music. So there's 4 different instruments. There's harp, vibraphone, violin, and guitar. And when you swing, you make musical notes. But when you actually swing in synchronicity with another person beside you, you start to make melodies. So working in collaboration with other people gives you a different kind of reward and a different kind of musical experience. I think what's really exciting about the musical swings is that they get to be an environment that's outside of their usual kind of location within, kids parks or things like that. Having them in an urban environment really creates a new experience, hopefully gets people to appreciate their surroundings in a new way.
The swings are free and open to the public from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Throughout the entirety of our opening. One
thing that you can see very clearly is that it is quite a large structure, and it's amazing the kind of forces that it takes to let people swing outside in a sort of temporary structure. But I think also the presence of this installation manages to really insert itself well within an urban environment. And so we've had an amazing experience seeing the swings tour in different locations in the US and around the world, and we're really excited to see how it does here in Oklahoma.
We are celebrating our 50th anniversary, so these are free and open to the public. We want you to come down and enjoy them. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. We'll be posting events that are happening. OCCF.org is our website that also is a good point to go check out what's happening throughout the time frame, and we will close on October 13th.